Hello, Amazing All-Stars. It's Mrs. Graham. Today is Tuesday, November 9th. Let's find out what's on our calendar. We've been seeing a lot of things going on with our calendar recently. We had one whole sandwich here, and the bear came yesterday and ate the whole sandwich. Let's find out what will be on the calendar for the day. Do you have any predictions you think will be on today's card? Let's find out. It's one whole sandwich again, but it's two halves. We have one out of the two parts on this side and one out of the two parts on this side. Let's add this information to our calendar grid. And there it is. We have halves here. One sandwich was cut in half to show two equal parts. Two equal parts. As we continue on with our number corner, we're going to add another day in school. We add another day. We now have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48 days that we have been together in school. We're getting really close to 50. So let's change our information here to show 48. Here we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 8. And here we have 20 plus 20 plus 8. Here we have 48. And here we have 48, the top of our number tree, and it's 40 plus 8. All right. As we continue on with our number corner, we're going to add another hour to our collection. We had 6 o'clock last time, and then we're going to add another hour to that collection. We are going to add 7 o'clock to our analog side. Do you see that little hand pointing towards the 7 and the big hand pointing towards the 12? And then we're going to add 7 o'clock to our digital side. We are even going to change the time on our big analog clock. So we'll erase the little hand here, and we will draw the little hand here. And now it shows 7 o'clock on our clock. And we'll write down that time on the bottom of our clock, 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. What are you doing at 7 o'clock? 7 o'clock in the morning. Are you sleeping or are you just waking up? 7 o'clock in the evening. Are you having dinner? Are you relaxing with your family? Are you getting ready for bed? Lots of great information here. I do want to show you this, All-Stars. We've been looking at a clock, but I do want to show you. We mentioned this yesterday on the clock, but I have to show you. If we're talking about fractions, here's a whole circle. We can take this circle and actually take the time to take this circle and put it in 2 equal parts by drawing a line straight down the middle. And then we have 1 out of the 2 parts on this side and 1 out of the 2 parts on this side. That is one way to make this circle into halves, just like we did with the sandwich that we just saw in Number Corner. I hope you're enjoying learning more about fractions. We'll continue to do more of these throughout the rest of the month. Enjoy!